Hello everyone, Team Impetus Brainery is back again with another shortcut video. In this shortcut video, we are going to discuss the shortcut to find last two digits of square of any number or last two digits of any number raised to the power 2. You can see this type of questions frequently asked in many government exams as well as many campus recruitment tests. So as usual, let us learn the shortcut through an example. So on the screen, you can see a very big number raised to the power 2. Your question will be to find last two digits of this expression. That is 1975829776 square. What is the last two digits of 1975829776 square? Now this is a very big number, but you need not bother by seeing this big number. See, your question is to find last two digits. So if your question, whenever your question is to find last two digits, you need not consider the part. You should only consider last two digits of the question. Okay. That is, last two digits of 76 square will be equal to last two digits of this entire square. That is, last two digits of 76 square and last two digits of 1975829776 square will be the same. So I will not consider the rest, I will only consider the last two digits. Okay, so your number is now 76 square. You will have to find what is the last two digits of 76 square. Now let's see what is the next step is. Your number was 76. So you will have to find the multiple of 50 which is closest to 76. Next step is finding the multiple of 50 which is closest to the number. That is, in this case, it is 76. I'll have to find the multiple of 50 that is closest to 76. Now the multiple of 50 that is closest to 76 is 100. The next step is find the difference of 100 and the number, that is closest multiple of 50 and the number. So what is difference between 100 and 76? As it is difference, it is always highest minus lowest. So 100 minus 76, the difference is 24. The next step is find the square of this difference. What is 24 square? It is 576. Now you need to find last two digits. Your last two digits will be the last two digits of the square, that is 76. So last two digits of in square of any number ending with 76 is going to be 76. Very easy method. I'll tell you what are the steps to be followed. First step is take the last two digits of the question. Next step is find the multiple of 50 which is closest to that number. So the multiple of 50 in this case was 100. Next step is find the difference of that number and the closest multiple. In this case, the difference between 100 and 76 was 24. Okay. Next step is find the square of this difference. So what is 24 square? It is 576. And the next step is take the last two digits of that square. So what is the last two digits of 576? It is 76. So your answer is going to be 76. Very easy, a three-step process. Let's see one more example. 1975829754 square. What is the last two digits of 1975829754 square? As I said, we want to find last two digits of the square. So we will only consider last two digits of the question. So what is the last two digits of the question? It is 54. So I'll find what is last two digits of 54 square. So what is the that is closest to the number? So the multiple of 50 that is closest to 54 is 50 itself. Now the next step is finding the difference of number and the multiple of 50. So what is the difference between 54 and 50? As it is difference, it is always highest minus lowest. So 54 minus 50 is 4. The next step is to find the square of this difference. So what is 4 square? 4 square is 16. The last two digits of any number and square of any number ending with 54 will be 16. I hope the method will be clear to all. Let's see a few more examples. What is last two digits of 293 square? So the first step is to take the last two digits of this question. So what is last two digits of 293 square? It is 93. Now the next step is the multiple of 50 that is closest to the number. That is multiple of 50 that is closest to 93. What is the multiple of 50 that is closest to 93? It is 15 into 2, which is 100. Okay. Next step is to find the difference of number and the multiple of 50. What is difference between 93 and 100? It is 7. Next step is to find square of this difference. What is 7 square? It is 49. So last two digits of any number ending with 93 is going to be 49. Last two digits of square of any number ending with 93 is going to be 49. Okay, so let's see one more example. What is last two digits of 536 square? Now, as it is, the question is to find last two digits. You will consider last two digits of the question. So in this case, it is 36. So you have to find what is last two digits of 36 square. Now, closest multiple of 50, right? Or the multiple of 50 that is closest to 36. It is 50 itself. Next step is to find difference between this number and multiple. So what is difference between number and multiple? 50 and 36, the difference is 14. The next step is to find square of this difference. So what is 14 square? 14 square is 196. Next step is to take the last two digits of the square. So what is last two digits of 196? It is 96. So square of any number ending with 36, the last two digits of square of any number ending with 36 is going to be 96. Very easy method and a continuation of our squares video. So during shortcut to find squares, I have told you you need to learn squares of 1 to 25. Again, that is applicable for this shortcut also. You need to remember only squares from 1 to 25 to tell last two digits of any number raised to the power 2. Okay. So quickly I'll reiterate what the process is. First step is to take last two digits of the question. Next step is to find multiple of 50 which is closest to that number or last two digits of that number. Okay. Next step is to find the difference between the multiple of 50 and the number. Okay. The next step is to find the difference square or square of the difference, and you need to take last two digits of that square. That will be your answer. In this video, we have discussed the shortcut to find last two digits of squares of a number. What if the number was raised to other powers? We'll be uploading that shortcut soon. Stay tuned. If you like the video, click on the like button, and for more updates, please subscribe our channel Impetus Brainery. You can also visit us at www.ibrainery.in. Thank you till we meet with another video.